Hey, Adrian LaFosse here with the Columbia New Home Buyer team. You can find us online at columbianewhomebuyer.com. Today we're in Northeast Columbia. We're in the neighborhood of Hawthorne Ridge. It is a Hurricane Builders neighborhood. And this is a Build Watch video. Build Watch is a video series that I do exclusively for clients of the Columbia New Home Buyer team, in which to do a video diary of their house being built. And this is Chrystal and Joey's new home being built here. And as you can see, they are in the middle of framing. They've done most of the first floor and are working on the second floor. We're looking to close in June. It is now April 24th, so we're well on schedule. Next time we come back in the next couple of weeks or so, we'll probably see windows installed or windows to be installed soon and shingles. And the house will probably be wrapped as well. Let's go ahead and we'll walk around the outside of the house. Not a whole lot right now to see. You can see where the deck is going to go right here. See the crawl space right there on the left. It's nice as there will be no houses behind them. Okay. Well, that's pretty much it for today. It gets even more and more exciting as we go along. This has been a Build Watch video. This is Adrian LaFosse. I am the team leader of the Columbia New Home Buyer team. You can find us online at columbianewhomebuyer.com. You can find more videos like this or video tours of neighborhoods and new homes and all types of great information. Check us out and we'll see you on the next video.